In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play LEGO Dimensions on PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the main way in which you will be able to play LEGO Dimensions on a PlayStation 4 console. So something that I need to make very clear is that if you try to open up the PlayStation Store on the website, as I'm doing here, or on your actual console, and you look for LEGO Dimensions, what you will notice is that even though you can find plenty of LEGO titles available, you will not be able to find LEGO Dimensions specifically. So this is because LEGO Dimensions has never been made available digitally, which means that you will not be able to purchase it through the PlayStation Store. I had to make that very clear because the answer to the question in the title of this video is that as of today, the only method that you have to play LEGO Dimensions is going to be by purchasing a used copy. This can get quite expensive. I understand that a lot of people don't want to spend this much money just to play LEGO Dimensions, but sadly, this is the case because Sony did not bother with re-releasing this game on digital storefronts. You will only be able to play LEGO Dimensions if you own a disc and you use it on your PlayStation 4. So what I recommend is that you go over to eBay and you look for starter packs or used discs. You might be able to get some on a deal, and as long as you purchase one of these copies of LEGO Dimensions, you will be able to play it on your PlayStation 4. But to keep it simple, you do need a disc. You can also find the toy pads that might be included depending on which bundle you buy, but regardless, for you to actually play and update the game, go through the patches and so on, you will need a disc. So the best course of action is to look through eBay if you really want to play LEGO Dimensions on your PlayStation 4. Of course, you can also find the game for other platforms, but for PlayStation 4 specifically, you will need to look for these copies here. I hope I was able to help you on how to play LEGO Dimensions on the PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.